Hi, welcome back to Tapping with Kelly. My name is Kelly and I am a certified EFT practitioner. And in today's video, well, it's actually a viewer's request, which was really awesome. So thank you, Pervo. We're going to be tapping on procrastination. If you have trouble focusing, perhaps you don't know why. And just a little disclaimer, I can't possibly help tailor this script to your specific needs. So if you wanted to work with me one-on-one, just feel free to look up, my information in the info box below. And let's just dive right in, okay? So we're gonna go to, I'm gonna do more rounds than usual. So just go to the side of the hand and just follow my lead, okay? And let's go. Even though I can't focus for the life of me, and I feel unmotivated, I choose to honor how I feel. Even though I'm procrastinating and I get exhausted just thinking about doing what needs to be done and would rather take a nap, I choose to forgive myself for feeling this way and allowing it to happen. Even though I come up with every excuse in the book, why I can't do this or that, and I can't summon up the motivation, and I'm struggling to stick to goals, I choose to deeply and completely honor and forgive myself for feeling this way. Okay, I'm gonna go to the eyebrow. I can't focus, and I feel aimless at times. Side of the eye. I can't concentrate for the life of me, and I feel like I'm just wandering about. Under the eye. I don't want to procrastinate, but I am. And my mind won't let me focus on what needs to get done. Under the nose. A part of me doesn't want to do what needs to get done. And I don't know why. And then I get frustrated. Chin. Another part of me wants to get stuff done, to be motivated and purpose-driven. But just thinking about setting goals and following through makes me feel exhausted. And now I can use a nap. Collarbone. I don't want to procrastinate. Go under the arm. I do want to focus on what needs to get done. Otherwise, I wouldn't be tapping right now. So I need to honor myself for actually taking action. You do. Wrists. But my mind won't let me focus. And it comes up with every excuse in the book as to why. I want you to go to your thumb, and it's where the skin meets the nail, right here. Tap there. I'm tired. We're gonna do the same thing on the index finger where the nail meets the skin. Sorry, I'm trying to get on camera. I feel overwhelmed. Middle finger. I don't know where to begin. Ring. I can't focus or stick to my goals. Pinky. I'm struggling to stay focused. And I feel overwhelmed and annoyed. Okay, we're going to go to the gamut again. I want you to go between your ring finger and your pinky. Could be sensitive there. Just tap there, okay? And I want you to follow my lead. Do not stop tapping. And do not move your head, and just follow my commands. And they're going to be done with your eyes only, okay? Keep your head perfectly straight. I want you to close your eyes for me. I want you to take in a deep breath, okay, with 5 breaths. Okay, now hold for a count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now exhale. Open your eyes back up. Still keep tapping. With your eyes only, look at the floor, hard right. Okay. Now look over to hard left to the floor. Look back at me. I want you to picture a huge clock in front of you. Okay. That clock. Go to the 12 o'clock position with your eyes only. Look up. Now go to the 1 o'clock position. Look at the 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, go to 12, go back to 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 12. Look back at me. Hum happy birthday for a second. Okay, count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hum again. Okay, go to the top of your head. I can't focus and I get easily distracted. Go to your eyebrow. Why can't I focus or stick to goals? Side of the eye. What if I'm afraid? Afraid of failure? Afraid of doing something wrong? Heck, I could be afraid of doing something right and then getting more responsibility. Okay, under the eye. What if I want a change of career? And my procrastination is because of that. Under the nose. Regardless, I need to focus. I want to focus and do what needs to get done. Chin. But what if I do it wrong? Or I'm a big failure and a disappointment? Collarbone. What if I'm not? Under the arm. But I don't know that. Wrists. What if I do it wrong? Then I learn from my mistake and do it again. So what? Top of the head. What if I allow myself to focus and be purpose-driven and goal-oriented and get stuff done? Eyebrow. I want to be focused and not allow unconscious fears and worries to get in the way. Side of the eye. And I choose to honor myself for doing something about it. Good for me. Under the eye. I'm willing to allow my mind to focus on one task and see it through to the end. You could do that. Under the nose. I choose to be purpose-driven and not allow distractions to get in the way. I'm ready to focus. Chin. I want to let go of irrational fears that I'll be a failure or that I'll disappoint. Because what if I kill it? I choose to see a positive outcome. Collarbone. I will not allow distractions to hold me back. I take back control of my life. I am in control. And I choose to be focused and purpose-driven. Actually, I'm excited about getting stuff done now. Feel that excitement. Under the arm. I let go of procrastinating. And I'm open to focusing. And when my mind tries to wander, I'll wrangle it in by tapping. Wrists. I choose to focus on the tasks at hand and what needs to get done. And I will not allow distractions to get the best of me. I'm in control. And I take back my life. Top of the head. I'm in control. And I refuse to allow distractions and fears into my headspace. Last round, eyebrow. What if I start out simple? to not get overwhelmed. And write down one goal to accomplish for the day. Side of the eye. I can so do that. I can write down one goal and stick to it. Under the eye. I'm ready, willing, and able to focus on what needs to get done and to take back my life. I'm in control. And say that again. I am in control of my life. Under the nose. I'm excited about writing down goals. Chin. I'll start off small, and it will feel amazing to check off a goal every day. Collarbone. I choose to do this. I choose to ignore these irrational fears and do it anyway. I'm ready. Under the arm. My mind is focused on what needs to get done, and I'm allowing it to focus on what needs to get done. Wrists. I'm excited about all the things I can do and accomplish. I can do this. Top of the head. I choose to focus and stick to my goals, whatever they may be. I can do this. Irrational fears do not have any power over me anymore. Okay, press down gently. Take in a deep breath for me. 5. Now hold for a count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll gently pressing down and then exhale. So I hope you start off small and stick with one goal a day and then build it up. And just keep tapping whenever a distraction tries to come at you or your mind wanders. Just bring yourself back. Just do a round or two of tapping. Usually that's all it takes. So I hope that helps, and I will see you very soon. And that is actually a promise because I needed this video as well. Until next time, bye.